How do you turn it on? Turn it on right there.
On.
Okay. Then what?
This is the lock and unlock.
Okay.
Lock, unlock,
Okay.
lock.
Okay.
You unlock.
Okay.
You metal use the
Left side. Left side is for the crane to lift it up. Right side moves the
bucket. That's for the bucket. That's for the arm. Arm and bucket. This
Uh-huh.
that's for forward. Reverse. Reverse. The fence, you go to the right or the left, you use only one. See, like, you go to the left,
Yeah. Ah.
the front.
Ah. Okay.
The right.
How do you lift that thing up in the front?
Oh, that one is right here. Down, up. It's the same to back, the same,
Push those two back.
the same. This, the
Push them both back at the same time.
two, left, left, you go straight, both, same time.
Hell yeah. Beautiful.
Left.
Thank you.
When you finish, always put the bucket
Uh-huh.
down,
Yeah.
down,
Yeah.
unlock, turn off.
Muy bien. Gracias, Marco.
See? Start.